Today I'm talking to Ina Belova, a young designer who at the age of just 23 is already making waves in the fashion industry. Welcome to the show, Ina. First of all, by way of introduction, let's explain to our listeners what kind of clothes you design.
Well, I mostly create custom-fitted dresses for special occasions and events. That's what we call haute couture, meaning high fashion. However, my new collection is a bit different. In the industry, they're calling it nomadic haute couture. It's a new style, and I'm one of just a few up-and-coming designers currently using it in Almaty and Nur Sultan. It's the best line of work for those who like playing with new ideas.
I see. And how exactly would you describe nomadic haute couture to our listeners?
It's essentially high fashion fused with elements of Kazakh tribal culture. Think of it as an assortment of seemingly mismatched fabrics, materials, and designs. To give you an example, picture a ball gown with traditional embroidery around the hems, or a traditional borik altered to be worn at a glamorous red carpet event. The result is unconventional but gorgeous. Some people are shocked when they first look at them.
That's quite a unique blend. So where did you get your inspiration from?
For one thing, I've always felt motivated to experiment with completely different styles and try to make them fit together seamlessly. The stark contrast between the old and the new especially is what really fascinated me. Kazakhstan has changed so much in the last couple of decades, and as a result, some of my work has been called old-fashioned or outdated. While I agree it's important to move with the times, I feel the fusion of contemporary fashion and traditional dress provides a window into our country's recent history and reminds us of our ancestors' wisdom.
Truly remarkable. It sounds like you've had quite the journey so far.
I really have. With nomadic haute couture, I feel like I've discovered a whole new side to fashion that can be used as a storytelling medium as well as a means of self-expression. It's something most fashion designers haven't worked on, so I'm excited to explore the aspect more deeply.
That's really interesting. I'd never thought of fashion in that way before. So, what's on the horizon for Ina Belova? Where do you go from here?
To be honest, I'm not totally sure where fashion will lead me. I'm still new at this, so for the time being, I'm just focusing on studying and mastering my craft. My goal is to experiment with aspects of fashion and culture that haven't been considered before. I want to be one of the world's leading designers. Needless to say, I'm going to be busy.
That's for sure. Thank you for coming on the show, Ina Belova. I look forward to seeing your next collection. I'm certain that it'll be a hit.